you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So May's Goddess Provisions just arrived. This is always like the first box that I get of the month, and I like when I'm excited about the box. Last month was pretty good, so let's see what happens. I think last month was good, right? It's like hit and miss with this box lately, but they've been doing so much better. So this is what it looks like when you first open up the box. Let me dump everything out so I can get to the card. Ooh, very pretty illustration on the card this month. Look how pretty. And then inside of here, it will go over the items with the pricing, and then it does give us our monthly mantra, which is right here. And it says, I root down to rise up. That's awesome. And then again, it does go over the pricing and everything. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this month's box. The first thing that I am pulling out is this cloth right here. And ooh, that is really pretty. Ooh, that is really pretty. This right here says, Access Your Eye Indigo Altar Cloth. Enrich your sacred space with this nature-loving altar piece. It was handmade in Bali with earth magic using 100% organic plant-dyed fabrics and crystal-infused ink. And then for this one, there is a code that you can use, which is One Love, and that'll get 33% off, and that's at ACCESSOUREYES.com. And that is really, really pretty. And if you guys know, blue's my favorite color, so I'm all for this color, and that print is just adorable. And this values for $25. So $25, you have an altar cloth, which it has crystal infused ink. That's awesome. So next we have is a pair of socks. The way it was laying, it looked like one of those little satchel things that you stick like in your drawer that smells good. It looked like it had stuff in it. They're like clear. So I've never seen socks like these before. Look at this. They're like clear. Wow. Yeah, they're like clear. They're tight fit. Damn, I can't even get my hand in there. So, but there's that. I can't even get my hand in here. How am I gonna get my damn ankle in here, or my cankle in here? Holy moly. Okay, so now that I pulled my hand out of the bag, or the sock, these right here say Cosmic Floral socks, and they are valued for $11. And yeah, they look really cute. It just, they're very tight fitted, I think. So I'm gonna just put these right back in this little container here. And these are by Goddess Provisions. They are cute, but I don't like socks tight on my ankles, but there's that. Those are really cute though. They're 90% nylon and 10% cotton, if you wanted to know. So there's the second item, and again, that values for $11. Next we have this, ooh, is this a candle? This looks so pretty. It says Filled with Gratitude, and you open it up. That smells amazing. Look at that big ass stone in there. That is a big crystal. That smells amazing though. This is really pretty packaging. I love all of those colors. That is adorable. I really like this candle. So this right here says Insight Editions Gratitude Candle. This is valued for $15. It says fill your senses and heart fill with happiness as you burn this hand-poured soy and cocoa wax candle. It's scented with gardenia flower, essential oil, and topped with a rose quartz crystal. And they're at Insight Editions. And again, this is valued for $15. It smells amazing, and I really love that package. That is just beautiful. I love all of those colors. I'm a sucker for packaging. I'm like a package hoe. Like if I see a package and it looks really pretty, sometimes I buy it and I don't even know what the hell is inside. It's just, I love packaging when it looks really, really pretty. So that one I am loving. And oh, what do we have here? We have the crystal back for this month. Whoa. I think the last 2 or 3 boxes, we didn't have this. So, okay, they're back on track, I guess. Let me open it. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a green with a peachish coral color. There's one side and there's the other. This says, ooh, Unakite, Unakite, I'm not sure. So this one says, work with this balancing stone to feel grounded in nature's nutrients while releasing all that's inhabiting your spiritual growth. Packaged in a composable baggie, that little plastic bag. And this is valued for $4. So I'm glad that they're back on track with their one stone for the month. That's awesome, at least. Okay, so now we have something down inside of here. It looks like a little roller ball. This says a gemstone organic earth magic roll-on. There's actually like blue crystals, like blue and teal crystals in the bottom. That is super, super cute. And you guys know it's my favorite color. And it says earth magic, gemstones, moss agate, and neon apatite something. I'm not quite sure. So this right here is valued for $20 and you can find it at Gemstone Organic. And it says, embody earth energy when you apply this botanical blend of lemon, blood orange, and lavender essential oils. And now that it says lavender, I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to have a headache today. Nope, no ma'am. So there is that. It is a roller ball. I will hold this for one of you guys. I didn't open it or anything like that. So one of you guys will hopefully be able to enjoy the senses of lavender, lemon, and blood orange. Two sound good, but the other one, not so much for me. But I will save that for one of you guys because sharing is caring and I love to pass down to you guys. So the next item in here, it says, what is this? Last swab plus carrying case? What in the world? To replace single-use cotton swabs with this cute reusable option. So, what? Because like I use cotton swabs every single day. This says, you just saved the planet from up to 1,000 cotton swabs. So here's the container. Super cute, my favorite color. I'm loving that. And it shows like you push here and you just open it. And that's what it looks like. It has like these little bumps and ridges. And then what, you clean it afterwards? That just seems a little, I don't know about reusing a Q-tip. Especially, I mean, my ears are not that dirty because I actually literally clean my ears out every time I get out of the shower every single night. So every single night I'm cleaning my ears so they don't get really dirty. So, I mean, I think it would be okay. Okay, cleaning. The tip of the last swab have the resilience to be cleaned thoroughly, enabling long-term use. Clean the last swab with soap and water. Do not put it in the dishwasher and do not boil it. So you just wash it and then you reuse it. And then you wash it and you reuse it and just keep it in this little container. That would be cool for travel. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. I'll try it and see, because if I could not buy Q-tips all the time, that would be amazing. And saving the earth of thousands of Q-tips with just this sounds awesome. I'm all for saving our planet, especially with waste that can be avoided. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. This is valued for $12 and you can find this at LASTOBJECT. And then there's that. So then the last item that is in here is down inside of here. I do see Goddess Provisions tag here. So this is made from them, but it says made in China, or this is Goddess Provisions item anyway. So let's get this opened and see what this is. It says it's a fabric plant pot holder. Ooh, let's see what that looks like then. Get that sticker off. Okay, so it would probably be for like a nice little 6-inch pot. That is actually really pretty. Look at that. So if you just have like a regular little pot that looks a little bit boring, or you just don't like the color of the pot, you can stick it down inside of here, transform it into this really neat pot holder. Or you could always keep other stuff in here. You don't, you know, if you wanted to toss something in there, I'm not quite sure, but you can always use it for something else if you would like, or you could probably flip it inside out and just use this side if you wanted as well. But that is actually really neat. This says, dress up your plant babies with this reversible, oh, it's meant to be reversed, with this reversible cover that features the earthen beauty and foliage and crystals with, oh, so it's for a 5-inch pot. and saucer. Ooh, you can put both down in there. It looks like a 6-inch pot to me, but it says 5-inch. So whatever it'll fit in, shove it in there. But that is super pretty. I think that's really pretty. And this is valued for $22, or even in the picture, it shows like you can even fold the top down if you wanted to, and then put your plants in there, and then it'll look like that even. That would be cute if you have a shorter base to put it in. And then the last thing would be the digital bonus. This month it's a $44 value, and it says Earth Rituals. Discover 5 earth-based rituals and 8 flower essentials that'll help you connect with Mama Gaia and your own Intuit magic as a child of the earth. So you can go and it tells you how to download that digital bonus. So everything all together added up with the digital bonus, the grand total for everything, the retail value for this box will be right here. And then a quick recap, we have the digital downloaded bonus. You have this really cute plant pot cover. That's really neat. You have something I've never seen before, which is a reusable cotton swab to save the planet, which that's awesome. We have the monthly crystal. We have this beautiful packaged candle that smells amazing with the biggest crystal inside of a candle that I've ever seen in my entire life. You have a roller upper ball that one of you guys will gladly enjoy, hopefully. And then there's a pair of socks and this beautiful altar cloth, which I think is absolutely beautiful. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. If you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provision, they send you 5 to 7 full-size products per box with a typical value of $80 to $100, and most of the time it's a lot more. They have free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. Canadian shipping, as of last time I checked, is $15 and international is $25. I'm not sure if those changed, but US is free shipping. This box is $33 per month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you prepaid for a whole year prepaid plan. They do have, I think, 6 months and 3 months in between to save money as well. And all of their items inside are always vegan and cruelty free. And the different types of things you can find in these would be crystals, aromatherapy, beauty, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, that kind of thing. And again, everything is always vegan and cruelty free. So that is everything that I have for you guys to show you for this box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items? What did you think of this month? I think they're starting on a better track. This is like the 3rd box in a row, I do believe, that I'm actually pleased with. So keep on going, Goddess Provisions. Keep doing the damn thing, because so far you're getting right back on track. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.